name is Muhammad Hadri bin Abdul Manan. I'm taking civil engineering courses in UMS. So, based on the question is, what soft skills do I have that employers will be lucky to have me as the employee? So, my first soft skills is that I'm confident with is creativity. So, I believe that creativity is very important for especially for an engineer since we will confront with many problems. So a creative thinking help us to find a new solution, a best solution for the problem. Okay, my second soft skills that I'm confident with is a collaboration. uh, I believe that this is the most critical soft skills as an engineer, uh, because collaboration is the key to ensure the teams are on the same page and get the jobs done. And that the most important because we have to get the job done. So uh, as an engineer, we will always work in team. So it's very important to have a good collaboration with our teams to make our job successful. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Sharifa Binti Russell, and today I'm going to talk about the newest trend in civil engineering industry. Virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) are the newest trend in civil engineering to watch out for. Although the technology itself isn't new, its applicability vis-a-vis civil and construction industry is gaining immense popularity. VR and AR are forms of immersive media to visualize the end result and are increasingly being used by both end users and the civil engineering project teams alike. Virtual reality is empowering the civil engineering industry with users' experience that was once only possible in science fiction. Stakeholders and designers can benefit from the interactive and immersive experience in an isolated ambience created using sophisticated VR headsets, cardboard viewers, and etc. After all, who wouldn't appreciate the virtual experience of stepping into plant construction even before the implementation? Augmented reality, on the other hand, with real world and graphics to give field personnel and civil engineers useful information such as health and safety warning, productivity statistics, design specification, and etc., making the job on field easy. This is just the beginning, and the application of VR and AR technologies are expected to broaden way beyond expectations in the years ahead, making them the backbone of numerous civil and construction projects. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Farrell. So I'll be answering the question: is communicating clearly an essential skill for engineers? In my opinion, I would say yes. But before I elaborate more on it, I would like to tell you guys what I really understand about communicating clearly. So, what I understand about communicating clearly is the ability for us to convey and receive information precisely. So this can show that people, this can show people that we have a firm stand on a certain idea, or maybe an idea that we are about to propose to them. So when we can tell people about our ideas clearly, especially to our colleagues, our team members, they can help us by giving feedbacks and try to improve what our work is, or to improve our paperwork. Then when we are able to improve and receive feedbacks from them, we might be successful in proposing our paperwork to our company. But on the other hand, if we don't have this ability, or an ability to communicate clearly, people might misunderstand on what we are saying, and yeah, maybe to a failed proposal. So in conclusion, it is vital for us, for engineers to have this skill in their future, future working experiences. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sohalmin James. My matrix number is BK1811025 and I'm taking civil engineering course in UMS. In this video, I will tell about my idol in engineering. My idol in engineering is Fazlur Rahman Khan. He was born in Dhaka and holds a PhD in structural engineering. I admire him because Khan was the pioneer of modern skyscraper in the 20th century. He was design that facilitated the construction of tall buildings. Besides pioneering the use of CAD, the techniques in structural design that contribute to modern civil engineering that I used to learn during my first semester. Next, among the iconic building of his creativity are the Wills Tower in the United States, which has held the world's highest tower for 2 decades, and the Abdul Aziz International Airport in Jeddah, which has won numerous awards, including outstanding contribution in Muslim architecture. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahmi Izzuddin bin Sharudin. I'm going to answer question number 9, which is 5 movies that can stimulate interest in engineering. Firstly is Dunkirk. It is about the technology from the engineer to make a serviceable naval and civilian vessel to evacuate Allied troops from the war. Next, the Armageddon 1998. It is about the intelligence of the engineer and the scientist, which is the blue-collar deep cone drillers sent by the NASA to stop gigantic asteroid on a collision course with Earth. So after that, the Fly movies. It is about the scientist and engineer make a collaboration to complete the teleportation device leads to a merger of man and insect. The fourth movie is the Minority Report 2002. It is about an action detective thriller where the police utilize a psychic technology by the professional engineer and scientists to arrest and convict murderers. Last but not least, the Iron Man 2. The Tony Stark, which is the genius inventor, scientist and engineer, to himself and company is conducting weapon tests but kidnapped by the terrorists. He built an armor set to defeat the terrorists and release himself from the terrorists. So from my observation from this movie, it is all about engineering thinking to make our world safe and